Police are investigating a series of unusual thefts. Burglars are stealing airbags from people's cars.
Some people waking up today to find their cars on bricks.
Yeah, they were missing their wheels and their tires.
Trucks are now stealing tailgates from the back of pickup trucks.
Yeah, this is a 2017 Chevy Silverado. What's going around different neighborhoods is checking doors on lock. You get some of the nice ones that would just go around checking if the door's unlocked, but then unfortunately sometimes you get the ones that don't care and they go ahead and break your window, and then they jump in and they try to wipe you out while you're sleeping. But anyway, to make a long story short, the shock sensor is incorporated to the factory alarm. So if that happens, if they try to bust out your window, the alarm will fire off, and hopefully the guy can take off. You'll hear the alarm in the middle of the night. You should be able to wake up and see what's going on with your truck. From factory, they come with a factory alarm system, but the problem is that the factory alarms only work if the door is open, and everybody knows that, and they're not going to open the door. They're going to break your window and jump in and try to take whatever they can. So the shock sensor, what it does is adds on to the same factory alarm system. So if somebody breaks your window, or they try to break your window, bust out the key lock or whatever the impact that the truck receives, the alarm will fire off. I'm going to go ahead and illustrate that right now. See, it doesn't have any, it's not going to go off in the wind if it rocks your truck sideways. It has to be like a physical bang. Okay, that starts the countdown. And then the alarm is going to fire off. I'm going to go shut it off by hitting unlock. Yeah, and that will shut off the alarm. Basically, at the beginning of the video, you saw the windows that were shattered. And so this is one step that you can take to prevent this situation. And then, of course, you can get some cameras in your house and stuff like that. You know, the more the merrier. Yeah, but this is the modern theft right now. You know, they either go for jacking up your car and taking your 4 rims, breaking in, taking airbags. You know, a quick snatch and grab, whatever they can find inside the vehicle. This alarm shock sensor add-on was installed here in Miami, Florida by auto alarm specialists. Numbers are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. And yes, we do have free mobile service. Thank you for watching this video.